Can you give an example of a task where zero-shot learning might be useful, and explain why? Answer: zero-shot learning is particularly useful in tasks where the availability of labeled training data for all possible classes or tasks is limited or impractical. A good example of this is sentiment analysis for customer reviews in a rapidly evolving industry, such as the technology or e-commerce sectors. In these industries, new products, features, and categories emerge frequently, making it impractical to train a sentiment analysis model on labeled data for every new product category or feature. This is because the cost and time required to collect and label data for each new product category or feature would be prohibitively high. Moreover, the data collection process would need to be repeated for each new product, feature, or category, which would be a significant burden. Zero-shot learning, on the other hand, allows the model to generalize from existing labeled data for related product categories and adapt to new categories without the need for additional labeled examples. By leveraging shared semantic similarities in transfer learning, the model can make accurate predictions for unseen or novel classes, thereby enhancing its scalability and adaptability in dynamic environments. For instance, if a sentiment analysis model is trained on labeled data for smartphones and laptops, it can be applied to new product categories like smartwatches or tablets without requiring additional labeled data. This is because the model has learned to recognize patterns and relationships between product categories and sentiment, which enables it to make accurate predictions for new categories. Zero-shot learning is particularly useful in industries where the pace of innovation is rapid and the need for adaptability and scalability is high. By leveraging zero-shot learning, businesses can develop more efficient and effective machine learning models that can keep pace with the evolving needs of their customers.